We're going to do something really cool. So normally smart contracts can't trust off-chain data. You just have to trust whoever gives you the result. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run a SQL query from a smart contract and get back the result with a cryptographic proof that it's actually correct. Let's build. The first thing you have to do is connect your wallets. I'm going to connect with my Uniswap browser extension. So now we have our wallet connected. The next thing is to check that we have enough SST tokens to actually query data from the smart contract. I have enough, so I'm going to go ahead. Now, before we move on to the next step, let me show you how the proof of SQL works. So first of all, your smart contract submits SQL to space and time chain, which executes the query and then generates a zero knowledge proof for that query. Now, this proof is verified on chain by a smart contract on Ethereum, which mathematically guarantees the correctness of that proof. Throughout this process, you don't have any oracles or trusted intermediaries required. Moving on, the next step we have to take is to generate a query plan. To execute any SQL query, the query must first be compiled into a X encoded query plan. And so this is where you generate a query plan. I already generated one by clicking this button a few seconds ago. So here we have our query plan. Now, the next thing you have to do is to approve 100 SST tokens so that you can successfully execute your query. So here in my wallet, I can approve it. And once it is approved, now that we have successfully approved the spending, I can proceed to execute my proof of L query by just clicking here. Again, I'll have to confirm a transaction in my wallet and so what is happening right now is that the SST network is verifying my query results for correctness. So I am just going to wait for my proof verification and the delivery. Now, my query has been completed successfully and my result has been verified, and this result is actually available on chain. So this is my query result and this is my query transaction. See you in the next tutorial.